Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to a quick unboxing for the Samson SR850 headphones that I got just recently. And I've been looking to replace my HyperX Cloud Stinger. I wanted something different, and I went with these because these are the open ear style of headphones, and I have never used these before. I did a bit of research online, and it turns out these are better in terms of producing audio and helping you sort of pinpoint footsteps in games and things like that. So I decided to try these out. I got them from Amazon. They were about 2,800 here in India. And yeah, so this is it, just the box, and inside the box we have the headsets, nothing else. Now it did feel like this was maybe sitting on shelves for a long time. It was new, but it just did feel like the box was a bit dusty and stuff. So yeah, these are like from 2015, I believe. The quality is decent. I was pleasantly surprised. They're not as bad as I thought. And I have a Samson microphone. I've been using that for a while, for 3 years now. Samson Meteor. So yeah, I was familiar with the brand, so I decided to get this. And yeah, the foam ear cups are decent as well. There's nothing else in the box besides the headset and um, the instruction manual, whatever it is. So yeah, the headset are decent. I'll be using these, and perhaps once I've used these for a while, I'll give you my thoughts about these open style headsets as compared to the normal gaming headset. Also, by the way, this does not have a microphone. This is just a headphone. And the reason I've gotten this is because a lot of people have said that these are actually better for listening to music and audio, and like in-game footsteps, things like that will be better with these rather than the gaming style headsets. So I decided to get this. And yeah, I'm going to lose this thing, almost certain. So yeah, quality seems decent, and yeah, I've listened to the sound a bit as well, some music, and it is slightly different. Like I feel like I can hear more things, more different instruments, more detail, if that makes sense. But yeah, overall it seems a decent pair. I'll put the links to the Amazon store page if you're interested. It will be my affiliate link, by the way. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.